going to share this recipe with you guys. Yeah, 100%. Beautiful recipe today in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, Juice Bar channel. This is yeah, this is from the healthy side of Chef Ricardo YouTube channel. All right, I decided to share this. Hey Matt, what happened to you, man? You're not going good at all, Matt. I was looking for you a while ago. I was shouting out still when I was doing my dumpling show earlier. I was shouting you out, man. Check out Matt's YouTube channel and support the brother. You know what I mean? Yeah. I saw it going on when we're in the kitchen. We just do stuff. We create ideas and make recipe. Hey, I was shouting earlier. Yeah, I know you missed the live. Don't worry yourself, man. It's just, I know, you know what I mean, everybody now will get to watch live, you know. You know what I mean? I just do this because when I'm off and on my day off, I can do things. Alright? So, when I'm home, I just make video. When I'm off, I just make video. And, you know, yeah, that's all I've been doing right now. Because, you know what I mean, I'm not working at the moment today. So, yeah. Why not make some video if you're at home? But yeah, I showed you out even on the YouTube channel earlier on my dumpling life. Cause you know, you people, you know, I mean, you know, support Chef Ricardo, so I have to share about some gratitude with you guys. It's all about the gratitude. Alright? Yeah. Big up on yourself. Respect for every one of you guys who support Chef Ricardo all the way. So I'm in the kitchen and I'm gonna make a very nice, lovely smoothie this evening. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, man. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Yeah, man. Keep up the good work, Matt. Trust me, keep up the good work. Don't stop. Don't make nothing stop you from doing your YouTube channel. Trust me. I've been in it many times people discourage me and I still carry on. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Keep up the good faith. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna be doing a very quick recipe, not too long. It's gonna be probably about 10 minutes. I don't wanna be drying out this video. I wanna do it for 10 minutes. So first of all, make sure you have some spinach. We're gonna put some spinach into the blender. Because it's not a long recipe, it's a very quick recipe for breakfast or for lunch. And you know, I decided to share with you. Put a portion of spinach into the blender, like what you see I'm doing right here. Spinach is very good for you. Got a lot of iron and a lot of health benefit. Alright, and I like to share it with my audience to say, listen, do this one at home and see exactly. Alright, so yeah, I know I got a little bit of oats left. I'm gonna just pour it from my bag right here because this is just a little bit of oats which I have left backed over. Alright, put that straight inside of it. I like my oats, you know what I mean? I'm always using oats. Alright. We got some honey. We're gonna put inside of it. Roughly about a teaspoon of honey. Fabulous. We got some almond milk. We're gonna be using inside of it, alright? Almond milk is very important, guys. We got some nice ripe banana. You know what I mean? Break up half a banana inside of it. I'm gonna use roughly about half of a ripe banana. Go down straight inside of it. Nice one. Oh yeah. That's exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about right now. Right it is. Get some cinnamon. Put a little bit of cinnamon inside of it. This is just like for a breakfast in the morning. Alright guys. Breakfast recipe come in really handy for you guys. Alright? And that's where Chef Ricardo is at the moment. It's a beautiful recipe, fantastic and an amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo. We're just gonna take this to the blend for a few minutes. And as I say, it's a very quick recipe and I decided to share with you today, alright? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just put this together and blend it. Alright? Oh yeah, this was a perfect long blending, guys. But look at this. All right, I'm gonna make you guys see exactly what's going on right now. So this is how it look. All right, trust me, very good recipe for you to have in the morning. All right, pour this straight inside of your blender into your cup like this, cause this one is finished and is on an amazing recipe right here. All right, as I said, it's just a quick recipe from Chef Ricardo, which I want to share with you. All right, beautiful one. It is amazing, fantastic. Here it is, beautiful recipe, guys. The thing with this kind of recipe, what you need to do, you have to make sure you're doing it the right way. Trust me. All right, you have to do this kind of recipe the right and proper way. Alright, now, with a recipe like this, it's very good for you to have in the morning. Alright, you got oats, ripe banana, cinnamon, honey, spinach, and you just blend it. You know what I mean? If you're at home and you feel like you want to do something very quickly and you have your blender, this come in really handy for you. A perfect recipe in the morning. Alright, now I got some seeds. You know me, I always put my seeds into all these kind of recipes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna simply drop a little bit of seeds inside of it, just like this. Beautiful one for you to try at home, guys. And not only that, I have chai seeds which I normally use when I'm doing certain kind of ingredients like these one. I've got a chai seed pudding coming up very soon. Let's put that straight inside of it. I did quite a few recipes, probably similar, but they're all different kind of recipe, but sometimes I give them a little bit of tweaking. Alright, now I'm just gonna give you one more recipe, and trust me, this one is going to be an amazing. Alright, beautiful one from Chef Ricardo today. So first of all, get some strawberry and put into your blender. Alright, we got 2 strawberry, 3 strawberry, 4 strawberry, and also we got some blackberry which we're going to be using. I just washed some blackberry. I'm gonna pop them straight inside of the blender, just like this. These are some simple recipe, guys, which you can also make at home if you got leftover stuff. All right. Secondly, you can just pop roughly a handful of spinach into it. I love my spinach, and I always using spinach when I'm doing certain kind of recipe at home. All right. Secondly, I have roughly about quarter of a banana left from the first drink, and I'm gonna pop that straight inside of it. Very important if you're making certain kind of recipe, you can use some chai seeds in it for perfect weight loss. So we're gonna put roughly about 1.5 teaspoons of the chai seeds inside of it. All right. Secondly, we're gonna be using some almond milk, because almond milk is very good. Instead of you're going to be using, a lot of people are allergic to milk, so we just put in some almond milk inside of it. All right, fantastic recipe, guys. All right, now you can pop a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. It's beautiful. Keep it simple and delicious. Now we're gonna put this to the blend for about 2 to 3 seconds. All right, not gonna be long. 2 to 3 seconds. Beautiful one, guys. So as you can see, this is it right here. A fantastic and an amazing drink from Chef Ricardo. But I just want to simply say to you guys, if you're at home and you want to make something new, this goes really well for you to try at home. Something new and something marvelous. Alright? I would just encourage you guys to say, you know what, please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, because we have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo. Now, what we're going to do is pour out this on an amazing smoothie right here. And these are just leftover ingredients I have in my kitchen. Blueberry, blackberry, and strawberry. We got some spinach, a finger of ripe banana, some choy seeds, and also some beautiful spinach also inside of it with a tablespoon of organic honey. You are very good to go. And this is just a simple recipe which you can make at home. Alright? So guys, if you're at home and you feel bored in the summer, these are an amazing recipe which you can also make at home. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, because this recipe is an unusual recipe which Chef Ricardo share with you. Alright? So if you like the recipe, as I said, please leave a comments. Please leave your comments in the description box. Very important for you to do that for me. Yeah, guys, it's just an amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo. Look at that. Beautiful, two lovely, beautiful, fantastic recipe right here in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. We got some chai seeds on that one. And if you like, you can also put a little bit of mixed seeds on this one. You know what I mean? Just a little bit of mixed seeds. Look at that. Beautiful. That is such a lovely recipe, guys. And I would encourage you guys to give this a try at home. If you're at home and you feel like you want to do something for the summer, this coming really hot. You don't have to be only summer. You can do this anytime you feel like to make a beautiful drink or a beautiful recipe. Alright? And I said to you, I like to give you new recipes and new ideas. And you know what I mean? And share an amazing recipe with you guys. Alright? Now, as I said, we will be coming with some more recipes and some new ideas. And please follow me on my YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking, because I'm always giving you some lovely recipe all of us also over there, guys. Alright? Thank you so much for watching. And you know what I mean, as I say, yeah, hey Matt, we need to do a combination together, you know, with a recipe, you know. You understand? We can do that sometime. But I'm talking